Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in this video I am going to show you YouTube history delete or how to delete YouTube watch history. So when you are at youtube.com, click on these bars. It will display this menu here. From here click on history. And it will show you your watch history, your search history, and your comments, your community, your live chat. I am talking about watch history. So just you can clear one by one, or you can just clear all watch history, then clear it. Okay, now click on search history, and then you can clear it one by one. Then you can click on comments, and you can clear one by one these comments. So if you want to manage your history, you can click on manage all activity, then click on choose to delete automatically. Keep until I delete manually. If you want to delete your watch history for automatically after some period, then you can click on 18 months or 3 months and then click next. So after every 3 months your history will be deleted automatically. So this is how you can delete YouTube history, search history, watch history, comments, live chats, etc. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.